Hello friends, welcome to the magical world of Photoshop, and today I'm going to show you how can we create a golden skin effect in a Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your image in a Photoshop. So now you can see the before and this is the after. So let's delete this layer and start with new layer. First of all, make a copy of background layer. Press Ctrl plus G. Yeah, simply drag and drop. And now go to the filter and camera raw filter. And in the camera raw filter, first of all, increase the temperature like this. And now decrease the exposure. And then decrease highlights and decrease the shadow. I think increase shadow because shadow is nice. And then increase white, decrease black, and increase clarity, dehaze increase, and I think it's fine, and hit OK. So friends, here is the before and here is the after. If you want to focus only the subject, if you want apply the effect only the subject, then take a mask and invert the mask. Press Ctrl I. And now select the brush, make sure foreground color set to white and paint over here like this. It takes too much time, so I'm going to increase the brush size. So if you paint it over extra, then select black and then paint right here. Decrease the brush size and then paint like this. Make sure black is selected. Now you can see the golden effect.